tell you what, man, I haven't seen. I go to a lot of shows, man, and I tell you what, they did a awesome job with this one here. All the original parts, chrome. My buddy just did a 39 Packard, and it's exactly basically the same thing. I don't think that's a Packard. So this is sitting up in the showroom, guys, up at Crabtree where we got our vehicle. So I'm gonna do a quick, you guys know me, man, I'm gonna do a quick walk around. What's up, big guy?
What's going on? Look at that.
So we're gonna walk around this baby, guys, and we're gonna open her up. We're gonna look inside as well. Yeah, that right there. That's pretty cool. Got the vents in there. I don't want to open it up or anything because it looked like it got a 350 motor in there. Got the horns here. Like those are Dolphin gauges, I believe. Got air conditioning, aftermarket air conditioning. Clean interior. Suicide doors. Vent windows. All right, guys, we're over here at Crabtree Buick, and like I said, every time I see a gem, you know, I gotta check it out, guys. So that was an awesome Buick in there, man, and I just wanted you guys to see it. Hey, hit that like button if you like this video, guys, and if you not sure if you subscribe, go ahead and subscribe to this channel. We got a lot of good content coming your way, guys, and like I always tell people, if you got a good cigar, a fast car, a truck, smoke them if you got them.